Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to Madjid Fragrance channel for reviewing and describing fragrances. Today we're gonna talk about Prada LHOMME and all the collection of this line from the house of Prada. If you are new in this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe my friend. This is your channel to get always our news. Stay tuned. Welcome back again. Prada house is belong to Italy country, and the main activity of this house is the fashion. This Italian house fashion was founded by Mario Prada in 1913 in collaboration with his brother Martino. They have a good collection in fragrances like all fragrances, Infusion, L'Homme, La Femme, Luna Rosa, Olfactory, Prada Amber, Prada Candy, and Prada Exclusive. Today we're gonna focus on the line of, or the collection of L'Homme by Prada. The first release in this line was in 2016 is the Prada LHOMME, the auditive version. This fragrance is belong to the line of woody chapel fragrances designed for men, and the nose behind it was Daniela Andrei. In the top notes in this fragrance we have neroli, black pepper, cardamom. We have in the middle notes iris, violet, geranium, and mint. In the base we have amber with cedar, patchouli, and sandalwood. The scent of this fragrance is soapy scent, clean. It's perfect if you use it in office or in closed area. In general, it's powdery due to the iris that mixed with the violet, and it's graduate from woody, fresh, spicy to warm, spicy, and floral on the dry down. The longevity of this fragrance, if you find an old patch code from this fragrance, Prada LHOMME, the auditive version, it's long lasting and the Cioch is stronger. After 1 year in 2017, Daniela Andrei was released Prada LHOMME Intense, this fragrance that belongs to the line of amber woody fragrances for men. This scent is more beautiful on the night more than day, and it's more darker than the auditive version. Also, it's more beautiful for a fall and winter, for cool season in spring. This one have another aspect and another idea here. They let the same DNA of the auditive version, but they add leather to become more leathery and some tonka beans with sandalwood in the base note. Still have the iris in the top notes. The middle contain amber with patchouli. This version is more long lasting to eternal, and the Cioch also from moderate to strong, and the scent in general it's an powdery scent due to the iris, and also it's ambery. It's obvious that ambery and leathery. After that, when it's dry, become more warm, spicy, and also powdery. And also after 1 year in 2018, Daniela Andrei was the nose behind Prada LHOMME Absolu. This one is belong to the line of ambery woody fragrances, and it's more beautiful if you use it in fall, spring, and winter. You can use it in the summer, but in the night. Here, the idea of this fragrance is very similar to the EDT, the first release in 2016, but Daniela Andrei add some spices in the opening like cardamom and black pepper. We have here green mandarin with bergamot also. It's a fresh spicy opening. After that, in the middle note we have iris with geranium and neroli, and the base contains cedar with lebanon and amber. This scent in general, I use it in 2020. I made a special video of it. You can find it in the description for more information regarding the unboxing till I describe the scent. In the first time you're gonna smell a bomb of cardamom with the iris, but the cardamom is more obvious in the opening. After that, when this fragrance go to the dry down, you're gonna smell more iris than cardamom. Really, I appreciate and I love this scent. It's more beautiful than the previous one in my side. Another one maybe they love the Prada LHOMME Intense. So this one, Prada LHOMME Absolu, is have long lasting. I try it on my clothes, one of my jacket when I spray for it, and I let it in my with my clothes. When I come back after 2 weeks, I find that the scent is there. So the sillage of this one also is from moderate to strong. This one is very beautiful, fresh, spicy, warm, spicy, citrusy in the opening, and in the dry down become more powdery and earthy. These three releases from this line are the most famous. There is another three flankers like Prada LHOMME that was released in 2017. It belongs to the line of woody chipper fragrances for men. This scent, they let the same DNA of Prada LHOMME, the iris in the middle note mixed with amber, but they add a spicy opening like ginger mixed with neroli, and the base they have an overdose of powdery notes mixed with cedar and sandalwood. Really, it's beautiful scent. It's have long-lasting longevity with strong sillage, powdery scents, perfect powdery scents that's gonna be citrusy and ambery on the dry down. Another flanker on this line is Prada LHOMME Water Splash by Prada. This one belongs to the line of woody spicy fragrances for men, and the scent was released in 2019. It's perfect day scent that can used in spring and summer. Also here we have that powdery scent from Prada LHOMME that we have here, the iris in the middle note, but in the opening they add some spices like cardamom. They add also mandarin leaf with neroli, and the base still contain that cedar with amber and sandalwood. Prada LHOMME Velvet Edition also is one of the strongest release from this line and flanker. The powerful thing in this fragrance that can use it in all seasons, in the day or in the night. It's an overdose of spices like black pepper, cardamom, neroli in the opening that remember us of Prada LHOMME Absolu. In the middle note we have iris mixed with the violet to give this beautiful fragrance and powdery scent mixed with geranium and meat, and the base we have here patchouli with cedar, amber and sandalwood. This scent is a powdery, woody, fresh, spicy, and on the dry down become more fresh, citrusy and ambery. Thank you, my lovers, for watching this episode. Today we talk about the line of Prada LHOMME, this beautiful fragrance powdery scent that was released in these latest years. I highly recommend Prada LHOMME EDT if you work in office, the first release, and if you want to have and powdery scent like Prada LHOMME, but more strong and more versatile to go out. Just stick with Prada LHOMME Absolu that I was talk about it in a special video. You can find it, the link in the description. And if you want to have the scent and the DNA of Prada LHOMME, but in the leathery side, you can go with Prada LHOMME Intense that was released in 2017. Yeah, that's gonna be beautiful in the night and in the cold seasons of fall and winter. These three releases from this line are very strong. You can go with them, and if you don't find them, you can go with another three flankers like Prada LHOMME Velvet Edition or Water Splash or Prada LHOMME Blue. All of them are very beautiful. Just try them before you buy it. Also, if you have any experience with those fragrances, that just tell us in comments in what country you are and how much it cost. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button to get always our news. Thank you and see you in next video.